Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your image into a sketch in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Microsoft Word, and first of all, I'm going to add image. I'm going to go to the insert menu, and then I'm going to select pictures, and I'm going to select an image from my device. Okay, for example, this one, I'm going to add this image to my Word document. But wait, I'm going to make it smaller. Okay, and if we want to turn this image into a sketch, we can go to the color, and then we're going to recolor the image. I recommend you to choose this one, black and white. Okay, and as you can see guys, that my image has been turned into a sketch. That's easy, right? Okay, and that's all the way to turn our image into a sketch in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!